Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Snapchat app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just have to go into the profile menu. Then we tap on the settings icon. And then if we scroll down under my account we find language. And here we have the languages that the app is available in. And here we can choose one that fits our needs. So yeah, this is basically where you can change it. After you tapped on the language, you can just tap on change, and the app is going to change to the newly set language. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.